Ah, this one. This one. Oh my. It doesn't look like it's too hard, does it? All right, what about, hold on, I'm gonna try actually get 3 stars in this one. So I'm gonna restart. This is actually one of my favorites. Oh, okay, it's one of my favorites that you're supposed to start turning first. Okay, we gotta keep everything wide because we can't hit that cone, obviously. We were not able to make a left-hand turn out of that space because we're too close to the trailer. Oh boy, am I gonna be able to get around it? It doesn't look like it, but I am. Okay, cool. So that was the basic part of the of this particular setup. Um, this is a lot tougher than you think it is. All right, because you got to picture there's an imaginary trailer. If you don't picture, hold on. If you don't picture there's a trailer here, parked here, you're not going to be able to back in. You have to picture that there's something there and back around it. Because if you aim for it, you're not going to get in. Just you got to trust me on that one. Um, so let's start backing up. Yeah. No. Okay. I'm not going to restart this game. I need to start all the way over here. There we go. And start off with a slight turn. Maybe that might be actually too much of one. All right. So remember, you got to pretend there's something parked here, right? And park around it. All right. We cannot use this area. Small turns. Okay. Now we got to do a harder jackknife. We got to. Our back of a trailer has to get close to the other trailer. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And perfect. I love it. Let me go back a more. Perfect. Now my pull forward will straighten me up. There we go. Oh, it's because I stopped to talk. That's why I didn't get my 3 stars.